Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! What's going on, bears, bulls, and everyone in between? Whatever animals in between a bear and a bull. I don't know. What did we say it was the other day? A bull air? I think it was a bull air, man. Let's jump into the charts, man. Happy Monday. Happy freaking Monday. Pretty much another day of sideways, my friends. So that is that. I mean, Bitcoin at 16,654. You see the title of the stream. Up or down from here? Where the hell are we going, my friends? Where are we going, man? Listen, I loved my yo from this morning. If you missed the morning stream, the yo from this morning was unbeatable. That was the absolute go yo, you know? I even forget what I even did. It was that crazy. It popped in my head. It was the goat yo. Tomorrow, just wait. The yo is going to be even freaking better tomorrow. Drunk Bear's in the house. Is Drunk Bear drunk? Is he? We don't know. Down we freaking go. Ponzi. Nice, Rudy. Tread said down. Gonna go buy some chapstick. Okay. Do I need some chapstick? I don't know. I think my lips are pretty freaking awesome, if you ask me. I don't think I've never actually put on chapstick willingly, ever before. Now, you know, someone's had chapstick, but I've never actually been like, damn, I want to buy some chapstick and I want to put it on. I don't know about you guys. Have you guys ever put on chapstick yourself? I don't know. Clint said, I'm feeling like a white fox myself. Clint, you're feeling like a white fox? I don't know what that is. Hopefully you're not setting me up to say something really inappropriate. Because I tend to say those things a lot. Some things that are pretty inappropriate here. Anyways, let's freaking get busy, man. I can't be screaming up the wazoo. I got to behave a little bit right now. But let's freaking get busy. If you hear someone laughing over there, it's a 9-year-old child. So I can't swear right now. All right. And we can't be Becker. Okay, we can't be Becker. We can't do that today, guys. I know you guys all want to hear about the moms and the sisters. We can't be doing that right now. All right, even though he's probably heard worse stuff in the past. Use chapstick? No. Why would I ever use chapstick? Why? My lips are beautiful. I don't need chapstick. And to be quite honest, if any men use chapstick, oh my lord, man. Oh my lord.
Nope.
You don't need chapstick if you're a man. Anyways, let's jump on into the charts. All right, shall we? Shall we jump into the charts a little bit? I think we got it. Kids got to learn sometime. I think they're gonna learn, but I don't think they need to learn about moms getting. If you know what I mean. Anyways, let's jump onto it. So what's Bitcoin doing right now? Well, 16,683. It's trying to come up a little bit, but man, it's having a tough time catching any bids to the upside because we still got all the FUD. And we actually have something interesting to look at with this FUD. I told you guys I didn't want to talk about it anymore. I didn't want to talk about SBF. I didn't want to talk about any of this shit. Excuse my language. But there's actually something very interesting that we're going to talk about coming up in a sec that you guys might like about this. It's with these new little encryptic tweets that he's been putting out. If you guys been seeing it, he's been putting out encryptic tweets like crazy. Holy Lord. Wayne said wait, I can't read. We know what Jordan was doing 9 years ago. What was that? Hell no, buddy. Jordan is a bottom dweller at this point. Alp. I'm not a bottom dweller, man. I bought 16K. I'm ready to go if we want to go from here. But will we? I'm not sold. Anyways, let's jump onto the chart. So what do we got? So we know yesterday Bitcoin did break up to the upside, right? Woohoo!
Strap up. We're going to the moon. We're going to 100K tomorrow.
All right. Bitcoin did break to the upside from this downtrend of resistance here, where we coming all the way back from last Tuesday. Just resist, don't say, resist, don't say, resist, don't say, resist, don't say. And we broke it out to the upside. Now, I'm going to get rid of this. This is semi-pointless here. We actually did break out. We actually came back down to that same support we bounced off of once. We bounced off it twice. Slight deviation low. And now we're trying to bounce that off that again. And also, I mean, there's a lot of confluence right here at this level, guys. Because you also have this big downtrend of resistance coming across like this, my friends. Okay? So can Bitcoin get a bounce off this level and try to come up? This is the level where we're going to do it if it's going to happen, my friends. Because if we come back down and sort of do one of these. If we do one of these, where we come back up, we take this little wick on the 1 hour time frame right here, and then we just curl right back over. Oh, Lord, my friends, that ain't going to be good for the bullies. That ain't going to be good for the bull tarts. God, that ain't going to be too good for the bull friends. Because a lot of us are friends too. It's not going to be good for anyone over here. So, what we want to see is we want to see this time right here, my friends. Let me hear it over here. Let me hear it. Let me hear it in the back. We want to break this stupid resistance level right here, which really this is 3 levels for Bitcoin, right? It's got this bottom support, you got this mid-level support, and you got this resistance up here. We need Bitcoin on this middle move up here in the short term, my friend. We need to break this red box right here spanning up to 17K. We need to absolutely destroy the 17K box. I know it just looks like a box, but it's a beautiful box. It's a beautiful red box. I measured this to absolute precision. No, I really didn't. I just drew a box of the support and resistance. If you want to be perfectly honest, that's what I did. That's what I did. NWO said the bottom is in. Man, I'm not going to be calling bottoms, man. I'm not going to be calling bottoms. It seems like every time I call a bottom, an exchange goes insolvent. There's a whale that's watching the stream, guys. I swear. You know, as we kind of stream here, right? We sort of stream every single day. You know, no pun intended. As we stream, we get a little bit of a whale who comes through the water, right? And he's watching the stream. And every time Jordan says the bottom might be in, he sends a whale insolvent every single time. So we're not going to be doing that because, to be honest, holy Lord, man, we just still don't know the outskirts of this whole shenanigan with SBF. In my opinion, I have to say, if I had to say the bottom was in or not, I would say it is not. It is not in at the current moment. But that's okay. That's okay. There's no reason to get panicky and get, oh my God, the bottom's not it. And all be all, let's get the shitstorm over with. Let's let the dust settle like we've been saying a million times. There's still dust all over me. You can probably see dust on my face, on my ears, on my eyes, on my chin, on my mouth, maybe a little bit on my tits. All right? But the dust is getting off. All out of here. And it will be gone. Anyways, so like we said, 17K, if we want to get a little bit of a short-term move up, which I wouldn't... It's one of those things I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin does get a short-term move up because we know at the lows, everyone's going to go short, right? Everyone's going to sell down here, and there's going to be a lot of liquidity back up to the upside. So, once again, would I be surprised if the whales decide to bring it back up here to take this liquidity just to smack it back down to the downside? No. And if I had to be honest, if I had to do the most logical thing to do, to me, this is the most logical thing to do. Now, we know Bitcoin's not always logical, right? We know sometimes Bitcoin comes out and warning shots fired. All right? Does some warning shots fired. So to me, this is the most logical scenario, right? Bitcoin comes back up, takes the liquidity to the upside, and then gets trashed to the downside here. But time will tell. Time will tell, and this could all get ruined by some bigger bad news because... What I want to talk about today, guys, is something a little bit different. There's some people that were putting a little bit of puzzle pieces together, and I found this fascinating, my friends. I found this absolutely fascinating. Why does the dust look like yogurt? Come on, man. Don't be making me say that. Why does the dust look like yogurt? Listen, the only thing that looks like yogurt is on your mom's face from Becker, all right? If you want to talk about yogurt, it might be a little bit of the halal sauce that I made yesterday. And I did have a gyro. Today. So maybe it's a little bit of the white sauce from the gyro. I don't know. But the only white sauce that I see is on your mom's face. All right? That's it. Warning, shots fired. No, but in all seriousness, this was interesting, guys, right? As we sort of wait for Bitcoin to try to make a move, right? 17K is the big level we got to get back above in the short term. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. So you guys have probably seen all this shit go down, right? SBF has been tweeting this little encoding thing, right? Like what? HAPPE, right? So he's basically gonna spell out what happened. Now, there's rumors going around, and I found this absolutely fascinating. That every single time, and you got the Sam Chabuku guy, which is somewhat connected with this FTX thing. Every single time he tweeted in the last year, he tweeted, and his tweets have pertained what happened in the tweet. Okay, we go back and look at every single time he tweeted what happened. Right, we got one from May 2021, September 2021, October 2021, November 2020, and in November 2020, right? And I sort of marked them off on the chart over here. We go back and we look. It's very interesting. At the times that he tweeted this was basically the top of the market last year, okay? Was right before this giant dump in 2021. Was right in May of 2021 on the big capitulation back down. And then the two times back over here was on the biggest dump back in 2020 and 2 days before that big dump in 2020. Very interesting shit that went down from this. Listen, you guys know I love conspiracy theories. And this one hits deep, man. This one hits really, 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 really deep. Okay? You can't make this shit up, bro. All right? So I thought that was interesting. I wanted to point that out because he keeps tweeting out this freaking cryptic shit. Which, I mean, listen, does that mean we have another dump? I don't know. Is he trying to do the opposite? We get another pump coming? Who the frick knows, man? But I thought it was interesting. I thought I'd point it out to you guys. Let's see. OMG, SBF and Tabasco are polyculating on Twitter. It looks like it, man. I don't know. I thought you guys find that interesting. I like conspiracy theories, and I think everyone can agree that there's a bigger thing going on in this shit right now, man. So basically, what's maybe going down is he's saying, "Don't build." before it happens. I don't know. Cheers. What's going on, Alpy? Alpy, I love the positivity, man. I literally love the positivity in the chat from Alpy. I love it, my man. Listen, I'm pretty neutral right now, but I get the sentiment, and I'm locked and loaded and ready to go. And I think most people in the chat are locked and loaded, ready to go. I think most people are locked and loaded, ready to go. It's just a matter of when, right? So, all right, short-term stuff, Bitcoin, 17K. Until we break that, there really ain't nothing new to talk about on the short-term charts and everything in between. 2W said Bitcoin is a conspiracy. I mean, it definitely is a conspiracy. There's so many conspiracies with Bitcoin. Shit. Who's the guy who died in jail, man? Who's the guy who died in jail? It died in jail. Yeah, I mean, there's so many conspiracies with Satoshi Nakamoto and everything in between. Anyways, let's go to the daily chart real quick. The daily chart. And let's talk about it, man. By the way, guys, gyros are underrated. You want some good food and you can't think about what to get? Go get yourself a gyro, right? On some pita bread. Gyro on pita bread. If you like the chicken, you like the lamb, it doesn't freaking matter. Or get both. It's absolutely delicious. Excuse me. Yeah, McAfee. I couldn't think of his name for a second. But yeah, I mean, there's so many conspiracies with him. I mean, it's absolutely nuts, dude. It's absolutely nuts. And I believe in most of those conspiracy theories. But we're not going to go over that today because this is not a conspiracy theory channel as much as I want it to be. It's not one. So there it is. White Castle is better? No. I saw some of you guys talk about Arby's in the pregame lobby too. Arby's? I've had it once. It was kind of trash. If I've only been somewhere once, that means it's trash. Because I haven't gone there again for a reason. Even though, was there an Arby's over here? Okay, she doesn't know. That means probably not.
No, remember one day?
Yes.
Panda?
Yeah, we saw it.
We saw it, yeah.
Yep. Anyways, maybe there is one. I don't know. But I've only had it once. Bitcoin on the daily chart. What do we got going on over here on the daily chart? Listen, guys.
Rant alert.
The rate and the price action here in the daily chart, right? We're still stuck in a range, though. In all seriousness, we're stuck between the 16K level and the $17,600 level until one of those gets broken. There ain't nothing to say in the daily, man. Right? I mean, we got a potential double bottom here on the daily. I would love, and this would actually make me maybe a little bit short-term bullish, as crazy as that sounds, if Bitcoin can come back and up and close above the $16,800 level, which is about $100 higher than we are right now. Sorry, guys. About $100 higher than we are right now. And we create some type of bullish engulfing candle here in the daily. That would make the daily look a little bit better. But for right now, man, we're locked and loaded in this range, and we got to deal with it. We gotta freaking deal with it, man. Hold on one sec. I think someone's coming in. Who is this? Who are you? Get out of here. What's going on, you idiots? Listen, I'm gonna give you the scoop right now. This is all you need to know. All right? You guys are idiots. Listen up. We're in a bear market, my friends. It ain't over. It's only gonna get worse. People have no money to spend. Inflation is going down, but it's going to go up. It's going to go back up. All right? Listen. Sell everything you got. You're going to go broke if you don't. All right? I'm telling you. I'm warning you. You're going to go broke. Don't be like Bob. Sell. Thank you, Mike. Your girlfriend must think you are mad. Hey man, she met me watching the stream, so it's all good in the hood. She knows what she deal with. You know what I mean? But anyone who I would meet outside the stream, oh man, that's a different story for your guy over here. That's a different story for your guy. That's one that you say, what do you do? Oh, you know, I do this. Not I make videos on YouTube, and I absolutely have like a multiple personality disorder, right? That's not what we do over here. But okay, we're good on that front, which is really good. We're good on that front. Fire sale at Mike's place. Nice. Drew said my girlfriend thinks you're funny. That's good. That makes one girl in this world who thinks I'm funny. Come on. Wayne said, tell them the truth. You sell feet pics. Dude, I would sell feet pics. If I had a choice, I would sell feet pics. But unfortunately, no one wants to see these toenails. All right? I'm telling you right now. Anyways, weekly chart. Not too much to say about the weekly. I mean, the weekly really ties into total market cap right now, guys. I mean, we're still above the February, I guess the January 2018 little secondary peak that we had here in the previous bear market. So we're still holding that $16,000 support. At the end of the day, will it hold? We'll see. But like we said right now, usually the week after you have a giant capitulation like this, if we go back and look at the past, right? We looked at this morning. Usually when you get these giant volume capitulations to the downside, the week after is usually a green week. It doesn't have to be like a massively green week, but usually the week is green, right? We go back and look and, you see this drop right here in June of this year, right? The next week was green, right? Massive fear, gets bought back up a little bit. Nothing crazy. You get bought back up a little bit. Over here back in started May 2021, massive capitulation. You get bought back up a little bit, right? We can really go to any of them. I mean, even this one back from November 2021, massive sell-off. You get bought back up. I mean, let's go look at all of them, right? March of 2020, massive sell-off. You get bought back up a little bit. 2018, right? Massive sell-off, bought back up. So to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if this week was green, right? I know there's massive fear in the markets, but what goes down fast usually gets bought back up a little bit before the next move down. Okay, I personally think at this point, there's probably a little bit more downside to go in the markets in general, but I wouldn't be surprised in the short term we get bought back up a little bit to take a little of this liquidity to the upside, right? Before ultimately then probably coming back down, right? My take, you take it for what it is. Maybe that means the bottom is in. Who knows? If I have to be the sacrifice, right, for saying the bottom is not in and the bottom's not in, hey, I will be the sacrifice. I will be the sacrificial lamb, and get my. Let me just be a lamb. Holy shit! Let me just find a lamb real quick. I will be the sacrificial lamb, bro. Hold on. Let's do this. Let's find a lamb, and let Jordan be the sacrificial lamb. Is there a lamb on here? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yo. There we go. I will be the sacrificial lamb. Cut my head off. Do whatever you need to do. Make me headless. It doesn't matter. If that's what it means for the bottom to be in, you do it. I don't think it is, though. So we'll take it from that. Let's see. You gotta love the drinks, man. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat. You're gonna send all the mods 1 ETH if you're wrong. Drew, get out of here, man. You don't think it is either. So get out of here. I think Drew thinks it's like 12,500 or something like that, which is a logical. It's a total logical level. I think anywhere between 10 and 14K makes a ton of sense. Anywhere in that region. Who the freak knows where it is, though? That's like trying to guess a needle from the haystack, if you know what I mean. Let's see. The ambulance is coming for you? Oh, my Lord. No, it's not. No, it's not. Guys, I've never done anything wrong in my life. Just kidding. In college, I got in trouble for underage drinking 2 times. Believe it or not. I got in trouble once, okay? I was like, dude, my mom's going to freaking kill me. She killed me. And then I did again, and I didn't tell her the second time. So, take it for what you will, man. I went in the little... Because our college dorm was a dry campus, and my ass had to play loud music and get caught. Not once, but twice. So, take it from me. Anyways, I will not have it again. Excuse me. I'm not going to spend too much time on the monthly chart today because there's not really too much happening. What's going on with Bitcoin? Still chilling at 16,650. Here we go. What else we got? What's this chart over here? Do I want to rant about this today? I don't know. I guess I I sort of, not that I need to go rant over this today, but is Bitcoin still in the accumulation range? I mean, at the end of the day, you make this decision for yourself. To me, anywhere below like the $21,000 level is my accumulation range. And the lower we go down, the better it is. So freaking let it be. Let it be. Bring it on, bitch. And we'll take it on the chin. Let's see. Alcohol is stupid. Oh, it's not alcohol, man. This is a little diet Dr. Pepper at the current moment, man. Why? Because I'm on a diet. I'm actually not on a diet, man. I had a massive gyro earlier. I'm not on a diet whatsoever. I maybe someday I will be. Bitcoin is ultra pumpy. Come on, give me that pumpy pump. Alpy, pump it up, my guy. Pump it up. All right, what else we got over here? Let's see. Anything else really popping today? Doesn't really seem like it. I mean, this is a lot of the old stuff we've been talking about, guys. I don't know if I want to spend too much time on this today. But I mean, compared to anything, Bitcoin's doing the same thing that it always has been. Nothing's really changed up to this point. You can make the argument that this time's going to be different, this time's going to be different, this time's going to be different. It certainly could be. I'm not going to argue against this time could be different. But up until this point, if you said this time is different, I mean, it's been the same. It's been the same. And even I've made the mistake of trying to say it's going to be different, right? And in reality, it's the same trajectory that's happening in every bear market. We're right on pace of where we should be in theory. And this chart says it all too. Where, within the next, 1 to 2 months in that range, I mean, in theory, you should see a bottom in the next 1 to 2 months. And sort of, I guess the cycles play on. And if it doesn't, then the 4-year cycle kind of gets thrown out the window, my man. So that's kind of what we're looking at for the rest of the day for that. We got 6 minutes into the close, by the way. It doesn't look like Bitcoin's going to want to do that daily engulfing candle here, dude. Let's see. Let's see. Check link. I got you. There's probably many. All right, I'm not gonna rant about Bitcoin anymore. I think we ranted about Bitcoin enough. What was this, by the way? Oh, did you guys see this, by the way? Which I will say this. People were saying this is fake. And it definitely could be, but I think this is a big reason why XRP pumped today. Because now you got these rumors that the XRP case is going to be settled tomorrow. Listen, someone from XRP said it was fake, all right? And then the Fox people said not fake, but they said it's untrue. And the Fox people said it's untrue, apparently. But if you actually watch this, the wording is a little bit interesting. But they said like SEC versus Ripple settlement expected tomorrow. I wouldn't count on this, but this is a big reason why XRP is going nuts today, right? And there's a little bit of, I guess, people trying to front run this news, which, I mean, is it news? Who the frick knows? But guys, stop staring. Stop staring, man. You weirdos. Hold on. You guys are like this. Ooh, who's that? Who's that girl? I will FOMO into her. Who's that? There's 1, 2. Ooh, there's 2 I want to FOMO in. I will put my green. I want the green candle in that. That sounds good. Get out of here. Get out of here, you weirdos. Yeah. We got that going on. He said right, man. It won't be settled tomorrow. Settlement is on the 22nd. Yeah, who the frick knows? But there was a rumor going after that, and you guys can see XRP is up about 11% on the day. People try to front run that news. Man. I mean, you'll probably see a little bit of front run. I mean, the last time there was a little bit of front run news was back here in September, where XRP went from like 30 to like 53. You're going to see something similar this time. We'll see, right? I mean, the chart doesn't look too bad. I mean, but a lot of this chart is news driven, which I mean, it is what it is. I guess you got to respect the charts and not the news. But you do have a W formation with a bullish engulfing candle on the daily that's about to form. Now, you got to get back over this resistance here right here for XRP. But it's not too shabby. Not too shabby on the charts for XRP. Hey, I guess I got to play a little pump song for XRP. I got to do it, man. Good son, he just set that kid back 8 years. Clint, I set myself back every day 8 years, man. Every single day 8 years. We get set back. Holy moly. Who owns XRP, by the way? Does anyone in the chat own XRP, right? Not $1. Does anyone own XRP? Right? Actually an XRP holder, not 1 cent that you have from a fee or something like that. Or 1 cent left over for some yield that you got 2 years ago. Who owns XRP? Let me know in the chat, man. Let me know in thy chat if you're an XRPer. I was bored and watched your first posted video. Awesomeness. Oh yeah, man. Anyone who hasn't done that, go watch my first videos. It's absolutely priceless. I am an absolute nerd back then. Holy, way back in the day, man. Talk about Chainlink when it was at $1. Talking about Cardano when it was at 3 cents. Way back in the day, man. Holy moly. I was a nerd and a half. I looked like Pillsbury Doughboy. I looked like Carl the Moon after he ate like 3 cheesecakes, 1 carrot cake, and everything in between. Looks like a lot of you guys own XRP. I wouldn't own XRP with Jabba's wallet. Drunk baby, you hate Jabba that much? What did Jabba do to you? Hey, what did I do to you? I didn't do anything. Don't be mean to me. You're just salty that you didn't short. You're just salty. Okay? Don't be salty at me because you didn't make any money in the bear market. Don't be... don't be salty, my man. What's going on, Salim? Salim, what's going on, buddy? He said, me, I have bags almost as big as the bags under Clint's eyes. Oh, man. The Clint versus Salim battle is absolutely crazy, man. Salim, that's crazy, bro. Salim, I can't wait to the bull market with you, my friend. With everyone in the chat. I cannot wait to it. The lower we go, the faster it's going to come, in my opinion. Just let it loose. Let's get all these jokers out the market. And then we'll be locked and loaded, ready to go, my man. Oh, my Lord. My Lord, my Lord, my Lord. Oh, we got the daily close, by the way. Let's see where we end up closing here.
I have bags almost as big as the bigs under Clint's eyes.
That's absolutely crazy, man. But Bitcoin, looks like we did not get that daily engulfing candle, unfortunately. Here in the daily chart, we got no bullish engulfing candle. So, now we're kind of stuck. We got actually holding 15,000 XRPs. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm freaking talking about, Wes. Wes is ready to lock and load and ready to go. Let's freaking go, man. I know there's a lot of good XRPers out there. I said I was going to become an XRPer if it dropped to 30 cents. I didn't quite get there. So, unfortunately, you live to fight another day. And if I miss out, miss out. Anyways, daily indecision candle here, right? So, big wick on the top side, big wick on the bottom side. Not really much. Really just closed right in the middle of this range, right? I mean, 17,600, 16K. Boop. Right in the middle of the range. So, another day that we wait. And another day that we sort of wait for this to settle, man. Look at this chop. Are we back to crab season? We better not be back to crab season, man. I will go nuts if we're back to crab season. We get 2 days of fun. 2 days of dumpage to the downside. Now we're back to crab season. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh. Don't be swearing. Don't be swearing, Jordan. All right. That's all of Salim's profits. God, you guys are funny, man. All right, let's see what else we got going on over here. So, where's total market cap? So total market cap. I mean, I keep finding this fascinating, man. That we know that Bitcoin broke from the previous all-time highs, but total market cap is just still sitting right on top of those previous all-time highs. I can't hate it, man. And that's why another reason why I would not be surprised at all to see a little bit of a short-term move up. All right? I wouldn't. A little bit of a short-term move up to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised. Not 15,150. I said 15K. I was like, holy moly, man. You got 150 bucks XRP. Let's go, man. That's what I'm talking about. But no, total market cap sitting right on top of the previous all-time highs, right? So let's continue to wait and see. It's a big support for total, right? And at the end of the day, after a big capitulation candle, it's the same thing with Bitcoin. Like, do we see a retest of the previous support? Something like this where we go whoop, and then we go whoop, right back down to the downside. To me, that seems likely at this point. Does it always play out like it seems likely? No. And I guess that's why we're here. Let me see what you said here. What's a good price to get ETH at, or should I wait? Thanks again, bud, and have a good one. A good price for ETH? I mean, at this point, man, let's go over to Ethereum real quick. So Ethereum, a good price for Ethereum. Fallen Angel said, people saying ETH heading to $300 to $400. Ah, man, that does seem a little bit low for me as well. That's really low, man. But I've said that in the past, so and who knows? But I would say, I mean, the previous lows of 1K, I mean, is an interesting level, right? I mean, I would think if Bitcoin drops to 14K, okay, then 1K would be that level I'd look for, right? 1K is that previous support level. And then after that, man, it's probably between 800 and 700 to 800, right? Which is the previous high from May 2018, and also the bottom of the vector candle at 682. Right? So those are probably the next ones I'd put at, honestly. If something was good, if ETH was to break the previous lows, 700 to 800, man, seems to be the logical level. $300 to $400. Oof, man. That's, I mean, you're talking about, I mean, at that point, you're talking like another 70% drop. Woo! Holy moly, man. Holy guacamole, bro. Let's see. Not 15K, 150 XRP coins. No, I saw Wes, 150 XRPs. Not 100, not 15K of XRP. So you basically you own like $50 of XRP. Nice, man. Hey, $50 is better than zero, bro. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. I probably have like 5 cents of XRP sitting somewhere. That maybe that 5 cent XRP will be $1 someday. Maybe I will be able to buy a whole candy bar with my XRP someday. Hopefully. So I guess maybe you could say I am part of the XRP army. Because it's somewhere, deep down inside, we got that. No. But I mean, I did see that Vitalik actually sold some Ethereum today. It was sort of a hidden news, but Vitalik sold about $4 million worth of ETH today. $4 million for Vitalik. Not a huge amount, but, you know, and I see like Richard Hart's, you know, saying $400 ETH is possible. I think it's possible. At the end of the day, I mean, I would never call anything impossible, especially in the situation that we're in now. I think that's a little bit low. Time will tell. All I know is, I mean, $300 ETH, that's absolutely nuts, though. That's absolutely nuts. I mean, that sets you all the way back to where ETH all of a sudden it has a huge risk versus reward. I mean, at that point, ETH to get back to all-time highs, that would be like a freaking, it would be like a 12x just to get back to all-time highs at that point. So, who knows, man? Let's freaking get busy, but we'll see. Like I said, 1K and 700 to 800 seem like logical support levels coming up next, dude. Richard Hart is so smug. I saw Richard Hart on Banter today. I saw him on Captain Banter.
Hey Jordan, can you please take a look at TWT?
Let's see.
Any meat left on that bone?
I ain't no maxi, it's more a gamble. Oh, facts, Drew. That's why I don't hate on anyone. Anyone that owns XRP just from some sort of, you know, gamble, and it's some, like, they win the case here and it goes absolutely bonkers to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised. Right? So for a gamble play, for in case they do win the case like right now, and then they just go nuts to the upside. Sure. I don't see anything wrong with that.
count in your head goes bald.
Salim is so mad right now. Salim and Updog are fighting right now. Holy moly. They're going absolutely nuts. Listen, I'm not the mediator in this one. You guys fight this one out. You guys fight this one out. I can't do it today, man. Like I said, I got to behave today. I can't be going nuts. All I can say is this. Becker is waiting for you. All right? Becker wants the winner, man. What's going on, guys? It's Becker. I will destroy the winner of Salim and Updog. Why? Because both of you are pussies. Both of you are pussies. All right? I'm Alex Becker. I will destroy Salim. I will destroy Updog. And I will take down SBF with one pinky. That guy is an absolute nerd. I will take him down with one pinky. I can do bicep curls 30 pounds with one pinky. Who are you? Nerd. All right. Anyways. Man. All right, let's zoom in a little bit on Ethereum here real quick. Let's zoom a little bit in. Let's see what we got going on. Ethereum, pretty much an indecision candle here too, right? Up wick, down wick. Not really too much to say about Ethereum here. I mean, at the end of the day, we tried to reclaim these lows, right? So we had high, high, high. And I'm not talking about the high you guys think I'm talking about. So don't be weird in the chat, man. Don't be weird. I ain't talking about that kind of high. We're not talking about 420. All right? So don't be looking at that. But high, 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 low, low, low. Okay. And then we tried to basically reclaim that, and we're finding a tough time being able to reclaim those lows. So, I mean, all in all, right now we still got some sort of indecision here. Which way does the market want to go? Does it want to come back down and test the lows, or want to come back up? At the end of the day, oh my lord, Clint said, "Salim, you are one funny dude." Jordan, get the kid a few hours of counseling. Yeah, he's gonna need it, man. Like I said, I'm trying my I'm trying my best, but you guys want to fight today, man. Holy shit. This is not the day to fight.
You are one funny dude. I love it.
You guys need to pick a better day to fight so I can fight too with some serious words, man. Becker wants to come in and lay the law down on you guys. He wants to your mom. He wants to your sisters. All right, Salim and Clint? He wants to oh, Lord. Lordy. Holy moly. Anyways, here's what I'm looking at for ETH in the short term. Just a real quick little short term, I guess, TA-izzle, right? A little TA-izzle on Ethereum. I'm looking at Ethereum the same way I am Bitcoin right now. Yes, it has big resistance on this red box. But if we look at Ethereum here and what it's doing, right? So here's the way I'm looking at Ethereum, right? We had this vector candle here. ETH comes back down, takes that liquidity, comes back down, takes that liquidity again. Basically gets the move back up. Basically comes back down, takes liquidity again, makes another higher low, taking this vector candle. Now, it's sort of the same point. Are the whales, are the big market makers, man. And this is are the whales that are watching this stream, don't you screw this over, man. I know there's a whale watching this stream that has a freaking eye out for me. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. I'm going to kick your nuts someday. Someday I will come over there and I will kick your right nut and your left nut. And I will kick, I don't even know. I will kick the right one with the right foot, the left one with the left foot, and then do some like karate chop to the throat. All right. But here's the deal. It's the same point. I look up and I don't know. Do they just allow all the people who shorted up here just to have a free ride to the downside? I don't know, man. I don't know. It's the same way I'm looking at for Bitcoin here. Right? I mean, do they bring it up to take these guys out, right? Take these mofos out, so to get a slight deviation play above the high, deviation above the high, come back up, take these vector candles and liquidity up to the upside, and then dump it back down. That's the play I'm looking for right now. Invalidation for that, I mean, I guess the invalidation for that for the short term for Ethereum, at the very, very least, would be a break of these lows here, right? If ETH comes back down and breaks these lows again, which are support at the moment. That would be sort of the invalidation to that play. But I'm still looking for that move up to then move it, then to smack it back down. And that's my call right now. Move up, smack down. That's probably when SBF tweets out the next letter. Okay? Because SBF right now is waiting to tweet out that next letter. And we know every single time that SBF tweets out what happened. The market has dumped. It's dumped like crazy. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out, man. I'm very, 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 very interested to see how this plays out. For Bitcoin, Ethereum from this range. Because, like I said, we are in just crazy times for crypto. Yeah, I guess that's the move I'm waiting for. I know everyone wants to see it to go straight down to zero. Would I be surprised at that move either? No. But there's an invalidation to that move, and I haven't seen the invalidation yet. No. I long with Becker, said Keith. You long with Becker. Holy moly. Let me see what you guys are doing here. Let's see. Let's see. Whale nuts would be hilarious. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be behaving. I'm talking about kicking nuts. Shh. We'll just post the meme, man. We'll post the meme today, okay? Here you go. Oh my god. Imagine being in that bear suit, Mo. Oh my lord. Guys, just watch this again. Imagine your nuts. Dude, this guy doesn't take it easy. He puts some force into that. Like, you can see the vibration of the you can see the vibration of the bear suit. Watch it again. Just watch the vibration of the bear suit, bro. Hold up. One more time. Watch like the ass. Watch the ass of the bear suit, bro. That shit vibrates, man. My lord, man. That one's brutal. That one is absolutely brutal, bro. Woo, man. It's like the material goes. Oh my lord. I love that one though. It's painful, and a good thing it's not a bull, because I would get my balls crushed at the moment, man. No pun intended. No pun intended. All right. Man, what else do we have to look at, man? I think right now, I mean, it's a lot of the same stuff. I mean, we looked at total market cap. Total 3 is sitting right at the 300-day moving average, right? Right at the 300-day moving average, and also sitting right at the previous all-time high closes. So total 3 is at a very interesting support level as well. So again, did they bring it back up to retest, right? I mean, you could sort of look at this, I guess, in sort of hindsight and say, little left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakdown. Did they come back up and back test the lows to then bring it down to the 786 Fibonacci level? To me, that's the more likely scenario, right? 786 Fibonacci level from these current levels would be about another 16% drop to the downside. I know that doesn't sound fun. I'm just trying to stay realistic here, man. But at the same point, that's still how I see the market at the moment, right? Retest the lows, rejected, come back down to that 786 retracement for hopefully what would be the final drop. Which, I mean, if that happened, that's probably the equivalent of Bitcoin dropping to like 12 to 14K range, somewhere in that region. Which I would hope would be the final drop. You can never call for it, but that's it's still the scenario I see for total 3 market cap as well. Jordan, this is not hopium. We are here for hopium, okay? I need hopium too. Everyone watches me for hopium, okay? I can only give so much hopium, right? You need to start saying, I am Jordan. We're all Jordan. Start your own cult, all right? Start your own cult. All right, everyone say it with me. We're starting the Jordan cult. I am Jordan. We're all Jordan. Say it with me, guys. Come on. I can't hear you. I am Jordan. We're all Jordan. We need hopium. Listen, everyone in the chat, tell Jordan, we need hopium. We need hopium. I am Jordan. We're all Jordan. Oh, Lord. Fallen Angels got the right move, though. I mean, listen, my plan is very simple from here. I'm not sugarcoating it, right? I mean, I'm really just buying every 2K level below, right? So I bought 16K. I'm going to buy 14K. I'm going to buy 12K. I'm going to buy 10K. At the end of the day, my strategy has been this. I mean, ever since we got to hit the 200-week moving average, it's been buy on the way down, okay? And then whenever we start going back up, whenever that is, if it's in 2023, 2024, who the frick knows? Who the frick cares? I got enough patience. I've been through this before. I've been through the boring parts before. And then whenever the market starts going back up, that's when we start DCAing out, right? I mean, it's not that difficult for me, and I'm gonna have patience with that strategy. But that's where I'm at. I think right now is the time where you got to start looking at the market and sort of saying, is this the right time for me? It might not be the right time for you. Okay, you might have different life circumstances and things going on, or you might be having a wedding coming up, or maybe something like that. And you can't buy those levels. But at the end of the day, I'm excited. I'm excited for this time, man. I am freaking excited. I like to see the portfolio. I don't like to see the portfolio value go down as the market's dumping, but I like seeing the amount of coins that I own go up in the bear market. And I've always said this: don't pay attention to your portfolio value so much. Pay attention to how much good cryptos that you own at the end of the bear market, right? So I'd rather own 2 Bitcoin instead of 1 Bitcoin at the end of the bear market, or 2 Ethereum instead of 1 Ethereum at the end of the bear market, or I don't know, 1,000 Doge instead of 500 Doge. All right, I'm paying attention to the amount I own rather than the value, and that's it. That's it. If you wait to buy, then you stop the market from moving. True, man. Man, Diet Dr. Pepper is the shit, bro. You need to get on Diet Dr. Pepper. Guys, what's your favorite soda? And I guess I don't usually drink soda. Okay, every now and then I do. What is? And I know some of you guys are gonna say, you guys are gonna be Karens and come on and say, I already know, I don't drink soda. I don't drink soda. Soda's for pussies. I drink water and coffee only. What is your favorite soda? Is it Coke? Is it Sprite? Is it Dr. Pepper? Is it Mountain Dew? For even the guys who say you don't drink soda, man. What is your favorite? Because I know you guys have a favorite one. You might not drink them, but you like it. I know you do. Don't be lying to me. Who the F drinks soda? Not me. Oh, don't be the Karen who says, let's see, 50-50 water. I'm mainly a water drinker too. I'm mainly a coffee and water drinker. That's really all I usually drink, to be honest. Grape soda. I like Diet Dr. Pepper. Hell yeah, man. Sean said unsubscribed. Okay. Have fun, Sean. Drinking one right now. Nice. Brondo. All right, let's do the fear and greed ads here. Yesterday we had some interesting ones. Let's see what we got today. Yesterday we had, all right, let's see what we got. So we're back at extreme fear. We're extreme fear. We're at a 24 on the fear and greed index. Today we got new beds. Ooh, Jordan, is that for me? I need a new bed. I've been jumping on my bed too much. I've been so fearful. Yes, I need a new bed. I've been jumping onto my bed too much. And I think someone went on my bed. I think it was Jabba and Melissa. They were giggling in my bed the other day. And I was just eating in the kitchen. And I heard loud noises in there. And I think they broke it. Am I getting a new bed? But no, new bed. And we got... Here we go. The clearance sneakers. I love the 288 sneakers. How much of it, listen, how shitty, I'll tell you this, bro. How shitty do these sneakers have to be $2.88? These things cannot last more than 5 days. There's no way. I think you get 50 cents per day out of these things and the things are done. So they're $2.88 and you get free shipping. Tell me how. You can, first of all, profit off 288 sneakers, and then these things are gonna last. There's no way. These things are gonna be so shitty, bro. Holy moly. 288 sneakers, man. Clint said beds. What the hell? buy some on stream right now. The 288 sneakers. It's a keychain. No, it's not a keychain. They are wrong. They are for 10 years. The Starberries. These aren't Starberries. What are these things? I can't even see what they say. It's a horrible ad. Temu? Holy moly, man. All right, guys. We're still not clumped up on fear, though. I'm shocked. How is the fear and greed index is broken, guys? How are you going to tell me that the fear and greed's only at a 24? When I haven't seen more fear and panic in my whole life in crypto, in my whole life, than this past week. There's absolute carnage out there right now. And you're going to tell me the fear and greed's only at 24? Come on, man. That's some absolute BS. I don't believe that. Let's see. Dollar General shoes? Yeah. Facts. All right. Anything else coming up right now? XRP looks like it wicked up to like 38 cents or 39 cents. But it's getting a little bit of resistance from there. Excuse me, man. Now I got the burps. The only thing I hate about drinking this shit, bro. I start burping, and as soon as I get off, we stop farting too, if you know what I mean. What you guys saying here, by the way? What you guys saying here? Are these super chats write-offs? No. Ice Mike said, hey, can you look at TWT if there's any meat left on the bone? TWT if there's any meat left on the bone? Let's see. TWT. What's this shit? Oh, my Lord. I got to give you the pump song, man. That probably means the take profit song and the short song, my friend. Here you go. Oh. Oh, come on. The music ain't working. Here we go. We got this, though. Hey, there we go. Take profit zone, man. I don't even need to look left. Remember the days we used to dance? I can't remember the last time I danced on stream. It's been way too long. Yeah, take profit zone, man. Like this thing went absolutely nuts. From 99 cents to almost $3, almost a 3x in the last couple days. So any more meat on the bone, I would probably say no. Though, like we said, I mean, I just look at the daily RSI. This thing's cooked. The 4 hours probably showing some divergence here. Let me see. Yeah, a slight bearish divergence on the 4 hour time frame. I guess it's already kind of played out, but you know, you got some slight. Actually, no, you don't. Never mind, you actually don't. But it's gonna be tough to outbreak that. I do think this probably comes back down, retests again, and then forms a big M formation. That's sort of the highs here. I wouldn't say this has much room left to come up after coming up this much in the last 3 days. I doubt it. I freaking doubt it. Along with that, I mean, it did the same thing yesterday, actually, where it wicked up to the upside and it just kept going, which is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. But yeah, but this one probably comes back and eventually finds its way and retests the highs here at some point, right? Retest these highs and take this liquidity back to the downside and, you know, be on your merry way, if you know what I mean, my friend. XRP's pumping again? Oh, my Lord. I wouldn't say it's pumping. 38.2? I wouldn't call that pumping, my friend. I need to see 5% plus to pump it. You know? You guys might be wondering why XRP is pumping. You got some potentially fake news coming out. I mean, I think it's fake. I mean, it's been confirmed fake. But you got some fake news with this Fox News saying SEC versus Ripple settlement expected tomorrow. Seeing a lot of people jump on this news, right, to try to front run this shit. If it does happen tomorrow, listen, Horse Guy's already FOMOing in. Ooh, I like these girls, but I think I'm gonna FOMO into XRP too. They said that the SEC and Ripple settlements will be expected tomorrow. I am definitely going to buy some XRP after it already pumped 10% today. That sounds like a smart move, yes? Okay, I will let you guys know how it works out for me tomorrow, okay? And when the SEC lawsuit gets settled, I will be rich. I will finally be rich, okay? I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Come on, XRP. Break those lows. If XRP can really smack these previous highs, I mean, it's not going to be looking too bad here in the short term. You got some potential to come back up and at least retest the underside, the underbelly of this previous support, right? For it to get a move, maybe it gets moved up tomorrow, comes back up, retest this, takes this vector candle, retest the lows, and then comes back down after the news is not true. Who knows, man? That's why we're in the crypto space. But I would say that setup, just like the setup we look for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, which is a short-term move up, and then sort of a smack back down to reality, is what I expect here. I don't like saying that. It doesn't feel good to saying that, but I still think that's more likely at this point.
XRP news Coinbase about to relist.
Coinbase about to relist? Holy Lord. Let's see. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah, not so much. Come on, BT Sizzle. Guys, it's crazy, man. As soon as I hop on the stream, Bitcoin doesn't do shit. Before the stream happens, Bitcoin gets a nice little hourly candle. It actually gets some price action. You can't make this shit up, my man. Holy Lord. XRP is not about the news. Coinbase about to relist. If Coinbase relist, that's really, really awesome. I haven't heard anything about that, to be honest, but if it does, that's cool. That's cool. And I mean, and last time XRP started to move up, which was September 16th of this year. Where was Bitcoin at that time? I'm just curious, just to go back and look. September 16th, Bitcoin was right around right here. So I guess it didn't really mean much for Bitcoin at the end of the day. But hey, you still like to see it, my friend. You still like to see it. You also have Sol coming up a little bit too. Sol's trying to make a little bit of a comeback here. I'm pulling for Sol, man. I'm pulling for Sol at this point, dude. Come on, Sol. Get that little attempt at a W formation at the lows. Sol's got some good bullish divergence here, though. Right? It's got lower lows and higher lows on the daily. I can't hate it, right? I mean, it's there. So same deal, right? If I'm expecting at least I'm expecting a short-term move up on Bitcoin and ETH. If that happens, Sol. I mean, it's got liquidity up here, right? A lot of people shorted Sol from $27 and down. I wouldn't be surprised to see this try to get a rise up and take these guys out before rolling back over. Would not be surprised whatsoever. Come back up and take that higher liquidity and then dump it back down to the downside. And then we have fun with it, my man. Anyways, you guys want to know what I got for dinner tonight? I told you guys I made some my own halal food the last 2 days. Now, people around these parts were telling me that it was not real halal food. Guys, it was. Don't let anyone fool you. It was real halal food, my friend. Okay? And today we got actual halal food. we got some chicken and lamb. We got some rice. We got some white sauce. We got some red sauce. Oh my Lord. I'm addicted to that shit right now, man. Whether it's my own or whether it's getting it from somewhere. I am in love. Clint! Holy moly, Clint coming in hot today. Clinty! Holy Clinty!
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Clinty boy! Everyone's like, what's going on in there? Clinty boy. Holy moly. Clint coming in with the 10 gifted memberships, bro. Holy moly. Rudy's back as a member. No, Rudy, no. I'm just kidding. I like Rudy. Rudy's the man. As long as Robert Harrell didn't win, we're good. We're good. We're good. Let's have something not so negative. Facts. I try to keep the positivity up, man. Listen, at the end of the day, I told you guys, I don't know what's going to happen next, but you got to look at everything from the positive direction. Thank you, Clint. Clint is not being negative. I love it, man. It's always good vibes when Clint's not being negative. Holy shit. Clint the Doomer's gone. Clint. I know Clint's probably going to be like this back tomorrow. Clint's going to be going like, listen, I know Bitcoin and Ethereum are going up today. All right? It's a short-term move. It's going back down, you stupid bulls. Enjoy your day in the sun. I'm going to go sunbathe my balls. All right? While you guys are jerking off to a 5% pump. Have your day, bulls. We're going back down to zero. That's going to be Clint. Clint's going to be back in here tomorrow doing posting. You got to love it, though. You got to love it. Oh, Lord. Anyways, what else do we got cooking here? Bitcoin's really not doing much. Guys, I mean, it's every time I hop on stream, nothing goes down. It's really, I expect it nowadays. I don't think anything really is different at this point, dude. Clint started the bull market. All right, let's look at some other stuff. All right, so if we want Bitcoin to go up, I think we need at least the NASDAQ to keep performing well. And we need the DXY to keep performing badly, right? So I guess, excuse me, I guess the good thing that we had for the NASDAQ today is the NASDAQ getting a red day today, I think is awesome. Why is that awesome? Well, there was really a breakout of this resistance point here, and it was the back test of this. Now, I'm hoping it comes up tomorrow. So far, the futures are green going into tomorrow. Let me just look at this real quick for the NASDAQ. So the futures are green. Now, ever so slightly. You got 0.3% on the NASDAQ, about 0.3% on the S&P futures here to start the day. So that is... Hold up. Yeah, so that is good. Sorry, I thought I was looking at the wrong thing. I was like, is that right? I can't see shit. So that's good. So the NASDAQ, I'm still looking for the NASDAQ to come up after breaking this short downtrend of resistance, just like it did multiple times. Like, look at all these times. It seems like the same thing just keeps happening for all, like, it's just a cycle, right? NASDAQ makes a massive drop, breaks out of the short-term trend, comes up and tests the highs, right? Massive drop, breaks out of a short-term trend, test the highs. Massive drop. Breaks out of a short-term trend. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the NASDAQ still come up and test this downtrend resistance at the 200-day moving average. Where then, just like BTC, maybe we get a still a short-term move up, and then it rolls right back over to test the lows. And that's where, this point right here is where I would expect Bitcoin to really be tested. Really, 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 really be tested. And the NASDAQ to be tested. Time will tell. I still think the NASDAQ still has a little bit more upside to go here in the short term. And the DXY was green today at the end of the day, but it's still in a downtrend, right? At this, it's still in a overall uptrend, but the daily chart is lower lows and lower highs at this point. I don't think that's really arguable, right? Lower lows, lower highs. You can't argue on the daily chart. It's at least in a short-term downtrend. So we're still hoping this is a downtrend, and that's what we're hoping for going to this week. It was really the big break of this overall trend, which was freaking awesome. I mean, that's exactly what we want to see, but now we just need to see Bitcoin pick its balls up off the floor. Excuse my language. Pick the balls up off the floor. Pick its man tits up off the floor. Pick its huge man tits off the floor right now. All right? Maybe it needs a little bit of encouragement from a lady friend. I don't know, but holy shit, we just need Bitcoin to pick itself off the floor at this point, man. Woo! Albie said Bitcoin about to pump up big time. I don't be shocked. I mean, that's where I see the market going. I see the market coming up, testing these liquidity up here. Maybe not that high, but at least coming up, testing liquidity up here, and then ultimately turning back over unless we get some massive news coming in right here. Some massive news. I'm genuinely interested, guys. Let's do a quick poll real quick. We haven't not done a poll real quick. Let's do a poll real quick. Let's do a quick poll because we haven't done these in a while. What comes first for Captain Bitcoin? What comes first for Captain Bitcoin, man? Does 18K come first? Actually, let's do this. Does 19K come first? Or does 14K come first? 19K or 14K? Let me know in the chat. Come on, my friends. Let me know in the chat. You can also put it in the chat if you want. 19K or 14K? What comes first, my friends? Let me know. As I take a sip of my Dr. Pepper here. It's 7:38. Holy moly. I get so thrown off with these earlier streams. It's only a half an hour earlier, but you know what throws me off? It's dark out now. Before, it was still light out at this point. You know what I mean? I start the stream at 6:30 and it already feels like it's like 9 o'clock at night. It's crazy at this point. This time change has got me all types of jacked up and thrown off at this point, dude. Holy moly. 14K and 13K? Let me see. XRP wins the case tomorrow, bet. Hey, dude, if it happens, it happens. I have no freaking clue, though. I'm not making that bet. I have no clue. I would probably go with no. I would definitely probably go with no. But who knows? 14 comes before 10. Let's see. SBF tweeted on November 5th. I'm excited to see what happens on Tuesday, which is 8 November when the crash happened. Facts, man. I was telling you about this, right? So apparently SBF tweeted on November 5th, I'm excited to see what happens on Tuesday. And that Tuesday was the crash. There's something with this what happens, man. Right? I'm telling you. Every time this guy tweeted what happens, okay? Every single time. What happened? All these dates, Bitcoin dumped on all of these dates. Now, it was right after the dump, okay? But that can't be a coincidence. That can't be a coincidence, bro. It can't be. And you guys got SBF tweeting right here. What? And he didn't finish it off yet, which means maybe the dump is not loaded. That's why, you know, if it's going to happen, or maybe this time it's the pump. Maybe this is all planned. Maybe this is one giant conspiracy at this point, right? Where this time, it's actually going to be the opposite move, right? Maybe this was one giant conspiracy to dump the crypto market to lows we shouldn't have seen. And now he's going to tweet out what happened, and maybe it comes back up this time. Who knows? It's all in the fun. We got like a giant mystery going on right now. It's crazy. Everyone's trying to figure out like what this shit means and all this. It's fascinating. It's fascinating, dude. Maybe this is one conspiracy. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not going to sit here and act like I know because I have no idea. I'm just going to sit here with my popcorn and just eat as we sort of watch and see what unfolds. Holy moly. Sam Big Tits. It's a safe word. Caroline is deep. Oh, God. Bathwater. I don't want to know that Caroline is deep, man. I don't want to know about that. That sounds so wrong, right? You got friggin' Caroline who looks like a friggin' deer in headlights. Hold on. I saw a hilarious meme earlier today. I wish I saved it, dude. Let's see. You got friggin' Caroline. Hold on. Girl hair. Let me see what we got here. He's totally burgery. CZ's tweets, FBS tweets. Who knows? But you got Caroline. What the heck is this? Whoa, look at this beard. I look like Clint. I look like Clint. Holy moly. Oh my lord, I look like Clint right now. I'm literally Clint. I knew it. Clint's my father. No. I actually look like my dad, which weirdly looks like Clint. It's weird. Anyways, Hold up. Let's come back over here. I can't find a Caroline here. I don't want to know about Caroline going deep. The only thing I want to hear about Caroline is going deep into the crypto abyss. Not deep into SBF or vice versa. I don't want to know about that. The polycule. Looks just like Caroline. We should just leave it, no? Holy Lord. Let's see. Clint's your daddy. Andrew, what's going on, buddy? What's the action? There ain't, you know, I'm streaming. You know there ain't the action right now. This is what I'm expecting for Bitcoin, though. If you want to know. Boop. Boop. This is what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. Is that going to happen? I have no idea. The only premise I'm going off this of is total market cap's at a major support, and you got a bunch of liquidity up here. That's it. That's it. That's it. What a joke crypto is. People still want it. Liquid. I mean, I know it sounds crazy, but people were saying the same thing back in 2018. In 2019, my friend. I know that's a crazy. It's sort of this crazy thing to say. I mean, it's almost crazy. It's like almost people don't learn to, when there's a market, right? When there's a market, it's almost like something's dead down here, and everyone wants to buy here, and everyone wants to buy here. It's almost this crazy thing that it seems to happen every 4 years. I don't know. It's almost like this crazy thing where everyone, as it comes back down, everyone calls it dead again. And then it comes back up and everyone's like, oh my God, crypto's the greatest shit. And then they FOMO at the highs. Oh my God, it's a scam. I got scammed all my money in crypto. And then they go to Reddit Buttcoin. They go to Reddit Buttcoin and bitch about how much money they lost in crypto when it was their fault they lost money in crypto because they invested at the damn highs. All these people on Reddit Buttcoin, all these idiots, because they invested at the highs, they want to call something a scam. Guess what? You're just a horrible investor. You're buying at the highs and selling at the lows, bozo. It's not crypto. It's you, bozo. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Reddit freaking Buttcoin. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go on Buttcoin Reddit, bro. It's crazy, dude. Anyways. I'm done. It's over. Holy Lord. Host Matt. If you guys if you guys like crypto and you've never been on Reddit Buttcoin, you guys need to go check it out. Like one of these streams, maybe we'll do this. Would you guys want to go on Reddit Buttcoin and just read the posts that are hilarious over there? They're hilarious. Some of them are pretty well thought out. I'll give them that. But most of them are hilarious, man. We'll do that one of these streams. You know? Did you ever say that's the sad part? That's I never want to hear about. End of the month, then we pump back up to the bull run. End of the month, you think? Woo! That'd be crazy. That would be absolutely crazy. The blue wall. Don't go there. Your eyes will bleed. Keep doing new things. Vax. Today I have to behave a little bit because we have some guests here and I don't want to be going nuts. We have some guests over in the other room over there, and I'm trying not to be nuts, so that's why I'm behaving a little bit today. But guess what, guys? Guess what? Tomorrow, we'll be back to being absolutely nuts, and you'll see my multiple personality disorder again. And yeah, we're going to be going crazy, man. Let's see. Look up Alabama Hot Pocket. I don't want to know what that is. And that sounds disgusting. I can already bet that that's something disgusting. And I'm actually pretty sad at myself for even reading that. I just read chats sometimes and I don't even think about what I'm saying. So that's all I need to know about me. We've seen it all year. You did. Spooky. The market's very spooky right now, man. Spooky, spooky, spooky shit. All right. It doesn't seem like much is going down here, fellas. I wish something was going down, but it ain't going down, man. All right. What else we got? Clint finally didn't get liquidated. Oh, Jumper. Don't be calling out Clinty. Don't be calling out Clinty. Thanks for being cool. I mean, I don't. Some people think I'm cool. Some people don't, and that's cool. The only person you should think is cool is yourself. Everyone else is what it is. Some of you guys saying Jordan's lit. I'm actually not at all. Actually not at all. If you want to say I'm lit off Dr. Pepper, sure. I am not on anything right now. I'm not doing any drugs. I'm not drinking any liquor. Okay. I am not on anything. Some of you guys just assume that I am because I'm nuts. Anyways, you guys saying Uniswap? Yeah, Uniswap's been going nuts. Guys, the decentralized exchange plays have been going nuts, right? DYDX has been going nuts. Uniswap has been forming very, very well the last couple of days because everyone's getting hyped for the decentralized exchange plays, bro. You know? So yeah, I think that's a big reason why you're seeing Uniswap perform a little bit better than the rest of the market. Because you have this narrative now of the decentralized exchange plays just being friggin' lit. And we've said this whole bear market, like Uniswap has been holding up like a damn rock in this bear market, man. Like a little rocky rock. But here we are. And Uniswap's coming back up and it's got some liquidity to the upside, like we said with all these altcoins, right? You got vector candle up here in the daily, which means there's liquidity up here to come back up and take at the end of the day. So it's the same as a lot of these other altcoins. It's probably just ultimately like a retest of this downtrend, right? Where it comes back up, it probably retests this downtrend, and then ultimately probably comes back down again at the end of the day. Like the most logical scenario, this is it. The most illogical scenario is, I would say, whoop, or whoop. To be honest, I think a more chop makes sense in this range of just like kind of pumping up. But it's really not even just Uniswap, right? Which I do expect to move up slightly. I mean, it's DYDX, which has been killing it, right? I mean, we talked about this 2 days ago, and obviously it's been nuts the last 2 days. It's right at resistance now, so I wouldn't be getting too carried away with this at the current moment. It did try to break out. It got rejected today. I'd wait for a pullback on this one. I guess pullback ranges. You can. I always look for like the 0.5 retracement, which looks very logical at this point, right? These previous highs is probably a good pullback range for DYDX. Boop 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 boop. But I actually like. These are getting a lot of heat right now because obviously the centralized exchanges are getting freaking pumped, dunked on to the downside. Let's see what you guys are saying here. Jordan is a whale. Bro, if I was the market maker and I was the whale, we would already be in a bull market right now. I wouldn't be waiting, man. Listen, I wouldn't be waiting. If I had the choice right now, and I was a whale, okay, and I was already loaded, right? Like loaded where where it was just ridiculous amount of money. We could just move the market with a snap of your fingers, bro. I would be sitting here, and we're going to a bull market right now. I would call up my other whale friends and go, yeah, hello? Yeah, yes, Bogdanov. Yes, we need to start the bull market right now. Like, yeah. My viewers on my stream, they can't wait any longer, right? They're going nuts. And I'm personally, I'm going nuts too. So can we just pump the market right now? I'm sick of this bear market, bro. I'm sick of this bear market, man. Yes, yes. Jordan, I will respect that for you. I will pump the markets right now. Okay? I will provide the liquidity that you need. And we will destroy Horse Guy. Has Horse Guy sold yet? Yes, he has? Okay. I will pump it then. Okay? So get ready. Get ready for the pump. Pump it. And that's basically what I would do if that was the case. If that was the case, man. You can't change what is already written. You can't change what was already written. You know, did Surya leave us if you were a whale? No, I would still stream it. Actually, I would stream at night. I would still stream every night if I was a whale. Like a whale. Like if I was sitting here freaking, I would still stream every day. Just because it's how I get my weirdness out of here. We'll make a vote and pick one. He'll know. He talks to ghost whales. I do. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I'm like, dude, can you just pump it up, man? Sometimes I just sit here and I go, bro, can you just pump it up, bro? This is ridiculous. What are we doing, man? This is ridiculous. We're liquidating everyone right now. Can we just pump it? You guys ever start swearing at your screen sometimes? Like, what the frick? Oh, Lord. Lordy, lordy, lordy. I've never broken a screen, though. The only time I've ever broken a screen is when I was a kid and I was playing Call of Duty and someone just kept camping. And at one time I was just so pissed off, I was like, boom. And I just destroyed the monitor, man. I absolutely destroyed the monitor when I was a kid. But I have never punched the screen because of crypto. Not once have I punched the screen. Have you guys ever punched the screen because of crypto? Let me know in the chat. I have never done it. QNT's getting a nice little pump up. All right, here we go, QNT. It's so funny. QNT's up 7% in the day, but look at the candle. It looks so small, little tiny. It's so cute. Here we go, QNT. Up about 7%. Woo! It's party like the USA. Wayne, you're such a dick. Wayne, you're such a dick, man. Wayne said, I bet you broke many mirrors and many cameras. Listen, man. Listen, okay? I'm going to be bald by the end of this bear market. Do you see the hairline at this point? Look at this shit. It's so deep. You can start to see the shiny. You know how people that are bald have shiny heads, but no one else seems to have shiny heads? Look at guys. The shine is starting. That's not good. That's not good, man. It's almost time. No, it's not almost time. We are not getting rid of the hair. But it's getting there. I'd say if we go through another year of bear market, man, that this might be coming back here, right? This is like the 1.618 retracement. You're probably going to be at like the 3.618 retracement. If you at least get another little retracement on this, it's over. We're going full on bald. Full on bald in that case. And it won't be pretty. It won't be pretty. Not at all. You can fix that? No. I don't want to fix it. Because, listen, I will be sexy bald. You guys want to see how I look bald? I told you I'm going to be sexy as hell. Hold on. I told you. I am going to rock that shit. And I'm going to be the sexiest bald man on the earth. No pun intended. I don't know. That wasn't even a pun, but it's okay. Here we go. Look at this, man. Look at this. I am sexy. You guys want to rub my head right now. I know you do. I know you do. QNT is the only thing going up right now. Looks like Bitcoin is chilling. Everything's chilling. Everything is chilling. Like a villain at the moment. I want longer bear market, longer to DCA. I think everyone wants a longer bear market, man. Let me see this poll, by the way. What comes first for Bitcoin, for Captain Bitcoin? We have 54% of people said 14K, and 46% of people said 19K. So, interesting. More people think 14K first. 55% of people think 14K first. I don't blame you. I don't blame you whatsoever. I really, really don't blame you on that one, to be honest. Especially with the shit show crypto has been in for the last couple days. Has really the last week or so. It's been like a week now, this shit show at this point. Of the shit show unraveling, I should say. I don't blame that at all, to be honest. The hair looks good. Thank you. Or you got a set of big ears, that's for sure. Oh yeah, my ears. I used to get bullied because of my ears. No, I didn't get bullied. But people used to say, Jordan, your ears are big, man. And what did I do? I took my big ears and I smacked them right in the face with it. Like Dumbo. That's what we did. All right. What else we got going on here, man? Doesn't seem like there ain't much going on. QNT, this bear market's chain link. QNT is this bear market's chain link, man. And QNT seems the only thing that's pumping right now. Is it a surprise? No, it's not. Not whatsoever. Remove the fake beard again? Okay. Let's do no bald, no beard. I'll remove the beard too. Hold on. Let me remove the filter here. No beard. I can't take myself seriously like this, dude. I look like I'm 2. Guys, do I look more respectable like this or with a beard? Let me know. This is the no beard filter, man. This is what I actually look like. If you go back to my first video, this is actually what I actually look like. I'm dead ass. I'm dead ass serious. Oh Lord, I can't take. I look like such a pussy. I look like such a pussy like this. Oh my Lord. Look how much of a pussy I look like. Look like, oh my God. What is that, dude? Oh my Lord. Who's this kid? Wayne said maybe because you are. Neither. God, let's say God no. You look terrible with that. Oh Lord! All right, we're putting the beard back on. We can't do this anymore today. We can't do this anymore today. Holy Lord! Holy Lord! Holy Lord! Now we're back to normal, man. Woo! That was brutal. Looked like Carl the Moon. I literally look like Carl the Moon. Ready? Compare me versus Carl the Moon. Here we go. Ready?
And I'm here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link.
No, you like Bybit. Oh man, I think I look like a lot like him. A lot. And who's to say? Remember this throwback? Back in the days? Yo! Who's to say that BitBoy's sources have finally been correct? Oh shit, this is the wrong one. You can subscribe if you want to. Whoa! I don't know what just happened. Here we go though. Ready? I guess I got rid of that one. I think that one's gone. That's why everything just went nuts when I pressed that button. Holy Lord. Old school Bob. Yeah, Bob looked different back in the day. I don't know why he looks so much different now. He doesn't really look that much different. Man, Bitcoin was at 48K. It's so true. But, hey, we got to say this. And I heard this question asked earlier. Where would Bitcoin be right now if there was no FTT? Where would Bitcoin be right now? Ever. If there was never any FTT, would a Bitcoin ever have gotten up to 69K in the first place? Begs the question, right? It begs the question. Where would we be if there was never any FTT? Ever. It would be kind of shocking to see where that would end up. Like, we probably wouldn't have went as high. But you could also argue we probably wouldn't have went as low. I mean, it is craziness. Tim said 250K. Oh my Lord. 25,000. Clint said 18.5 to 19. It would be in that stupid range. Look at 1K on the weekly. 5 million. if there's any futures, FTX, or shitcoin scams, then Bitcoin would be well over 6 figures by now. I heard a lot of people saying that actually earlier today. You know, like I was listening to a space, I think it was a Spaces, and someone said that, and I was like, that's a very interesting question. If you took away all the leverage, you could make the case that Bitcoin would be lower than it is now, and you can make the case that Bitcoin would be higher than it is now. You can make the case of both, I think. Exactly, Mr. Hart. I'm on the same page as you, right? Everyone's waiting for just a break of here. I do think we come up first and then get ripped back down. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for here. That's why my trajectory are like this. You know, that's why I got my trajectory like this. And I'm really waiting for, like I said, I'm really waiting for Sam Bankman-Fried to come out and tweet and finish what happened, because if you guys haven't seen this conspiracy yet, and it's really not a conspiracy at this point, people have gone and looked at this, and it's been facts. Like every time someone close to the situation has tweeted with anything about like that has what happened with those exact words, not what happens, not what happened. What happened? Bitcoin has crashed. So this guy's on the run right now, and he's still tweeting this shit, man. It's like he's trying to expose someone right now. He's trying to expose right now, which is this shit just gets weirder, man. I told you guys I was done talking about this, but I like this conspiracy theory shit, and it's got me interested. What happens when he finishes this? Because he's only at the E right now. Oh, he could be further down. I don't know at this point, but he's only at the E. You've got N, E, and D still to come up. What happens? Oh no, no pun intended. What happened? What happened, bro? We'll find out. Scary Gary. Oh, he added an N. We got 2 more letters to go. Shit, dude. Oh, we got 2 more letters. That's not good. That's not good. He's trolling the people that lost their money. You think so? I don't know, man. We have no idea. We literally have no idea. That's why I'm so interested to see what happens with that. Right? I mean, there's so many different theories that could be, right? Maybe it's not him. Maybe he's just trolling. Maybe he's signaling the whales to do something. At this point, we'll find out probably in a few days, whenever he finishes the tweet. Let's see. Clint said, just in, the wife comes downstairs in the robe. Oh, here we go. Here we go, Clint. The wife comes downstairs in the robe and my God, man. And flashes the melons at me as I'm pretending to work. But watching this show, I can't make this stuff up. Best wife. There's so many good things about that message, bro. He said, the wife comes downstairs in the robe and flashes the melons at me as I'm pretending to work. But watching this show. That's awesome, dude. It could, guys, if you didn't see this, I'm going to bring this over here real quick. Read this shit. This is great. Right here. Read this shit right here. This is why I love Clint. And this is why we're all here. To have some laughs in the bear market and just chill out and let this shit play out. We're letting this shit play out, dude. Look at this. That's freaking great, man. Oh, Lord. All right. We're taking it off the screen. He's calling out Elon for help. Oh, no. Elon, don't be doing that, man. Told her to flash him my way. Oh, get out of here, Anderson. That's not your wife, right? Go buy some ETH if you want a wife. Shit. Use your crypto wife. She doesn't got any melons. She's got she's got melons. She only got 1 melon. It's like a pointy little triangle. I guess it's 2 pointy triangles. They just go the opposite way like this. You know? The logo. Just boop, boop. 2 pointy little triangle tits coming out like this. It's like a poem. Let's see. Clint, go focus on your melons. Clint, go focus on your melons, man. Listen, I gotta let Clint go focus on his melons. Clint, go get those melons, man. All right. So, I'm gonna get off. The melons are waiting. Okay. For everyone else, I don't know. Go hop on the hub or something. I don't know what to tell you. But, anyways, peace out. I'll catch you guys at 9:45 in the morning. I feel like I see you guys all the time. 9:45 in the morning on this future beautiful Tuesday. It's still Monday. Let's see where Bitcoin ends up. I still think something like this what happens. Let's continue to watch this SBF freaking conspiracy shit that's going down on his Twitter right now. I'm going to be paying attention to that tonight. Because apparently he tweeted the N. We got the E and the D. And I don't know if we're gonna see the question mark or not. But he could finish it tonight. We'll see what happens when that happens. Is he trolling? Is he signaling the other whales? What is he doing? We'll find out on the next episode of the Crypto Ball. I don't know. The Crypto Ball Z. Later, guys. Peace out. Catch you guys tomorrow. Pa! Keep it easy. Keep it easy, my friends. Like and subscribe. Just like Dan said. I never tell you guys to like and subscribe. But like and subscribe if you guys are new. Catch you guys later. And as always, you gotta wait for me to be awkward here and try to figure out how to end the stream. Because it's gonna load. So you guys can sit here and watch me on the stream. That's nice. Watch. Exactly, guys. I'm the sacrificial lamb. As soon as I get off, Bitcoin's gonna start pumping. I'm telling you, it's gonna be happening right now, my friends. Just wait for it. Later. Peace. Peace. I'm still here, I think. I'm still here, man. There we go.